Welcome, friends. In today's session, I want to answer your query. What are the types of product rules? Okay. Okay. So in this video, just I wanted to give theoretical explanation, just conceptual understanding. If you really need one use case and demonstration practically, just request in the comment. So this is not for my students. This is for the general public. So I'm getting the WhatsApps like your what you are training in the regular batch is something different what you are showing in the YouTube. You see, this is general public. If it is my batch, uh, you have some prerequisites, right? So since day one you are in one track, so you can understand the certain things. So I can take you in that manner. So that's the only difference. So this is for a general public, right? So there are four types of product rules. What are they? Why are they? One is alert rules. Alert, alert rules. What is alert rule? It is simply JavaScript's alert function. If you know a little bit of JavaScript, what it is client side, not server side. So from the browser, you will get one alert. Otherwise, you are doing this, you are doing this, just giving one information to you. That's it. And it doesn't or it will not stop you to go further. To go further means to save your product bundle configuration or to save your code. It will not stop you. Just it gives uh, in traffic signals, you have red signal, orange signal. What is orange signal? Stop. It's not stop also, red is stop, right? Look, then proceed. In orange, what you have, look and then proceed. It will not stop you. What is red signal? Red signal is completely, you should stop. Unless and until whatever the prerequisite conditions to be met, you should not. I mean, you can't go further. That is the red signal. That type, what we call is error, right? Error rules, error message. It will give error message. It's like in your validation rules, like the mandate is to be filled up like that. Whatever the bundle configuration or code, you have got some conditions. Unless and until you want certain rules to be met, it will not allow you. It will not allow you to save your product configuration or your code. That is error rule. You got the difference between alert rule and error rule. Alert rule gives the message like orange signal in traffic. So, hello boss, observe. This is the situation. Means you have in the inventory 50 items, but you are adding 51 items to the cart. Just for example, actually you put based on some conditions of your product options or quote lines, right? So the scope, maybe product or quote. Based on that, just gives you the message, but it will not stop you to save your bundle configuration or code. What about the error? It will not allow you to hit to the server. It won't allow you to save the bundle configuration, the product bundle configuration or code. That is error rule. So alert rules are clear for us. Error rules are also clear for us. Then what you do have? Selection type of rules. Selection rules. What is the selection? Selecting. So you have features and options under the features in your bundle. In that, what you are doing, you are selecting, deselecting, right? Simple. So you want to do automatically. Automatically, uh, if you know that navigation items, the tabs in Salesforce, what you have the visibility. The visibility is default on, default off, tab hidden, right? Classic. If you are doing Salesforce Classic, the tab visibility default on. So whenever the user switches to specific app, the tabs are available there defaultly in the tab panel. They are default on. So whatever the options you are projecting, under the features or as an options. Okay, as an options, they are default on. They are there. What is default of tab visibility? They are there, but when you go to that plus button, add button, show all the tabs, then you can find them all and you can select whatever you want. Right. The same situation here for options. Defaultly on or whatever the options you have put under that bundle. Okay. Right. As the children of the lead product. Dynamically, dynamically, you want to hide or disable or remove from the bundle or enable, show, add, such type of right selection. You select the options dynamically and automatically based on some conditions, right? So that is selection rules. They are the selection rules. Okay. Then what do we have? The fourth one is filter. Filter type of rules. What is filtering? Yeah. The difference between selection and filter, right? Based on some condition, it will fetch and keep it with it, right? The bundle fetches whatever the required related items. Okay, whatever the options it needs based on condition, it will be with it. What are the options that you are showing in the bundle by default? It has some order, right? Order number 10, order number 20, order number 30, right? It has an order and that thing. This filter, generally we go for a dynamic bundle and for upselling, cross-selling type of things. So in previous videos also I have explained you upselling, cross-selling options. Okay. So here the filter is mainly it filters the bundle filters and fetches and it keeps with it. Okay. And somewhere in the bundle there is some button show items, right? So you have three types of showing the options. I know three types of showing the options: click, then tabs, then wizard type of thing. I know. So this add button will be there. Once you click on that, whatever the filtered list is with it, that will be showing in a separate page where you can select some of the options. That is your filter rules. So totally we have four types of product rules. Alert rules, it is like traffic signals orange color. Error rules, it is traffic signals red. You should stop. You can't go to the server unless and until whatever the corrections to be made. Then selection rules. So automatically you wanted to do these things. Then filter rules. So based on condition, it will fetch us and keeps with it, right? Somewhere in the virtual, it keeps the options. So if you want them to be shown, if you put a click on the button, then it will show. Okay. So if you are asked in the interview, go in this order. What is error rules, selection rules, alert rules, filter rules? Okay. I'm not showing any demonstration or taking any case study in this video for the brevity of the video. If you're interested, if you want to know, just put it in the comments. Definitely, I will do it. Oh, for the previous queries, so I have already put proper yes, okay. Uh, if any query I have not made a video, just it is in the priority list. Don't worry. You are sending WhatsApp reminders. Okay, I'm happy for that. Uh, it's on priority list. Sometime the other time, definitely you will get it published. Okay. So here you have the type of rule. So it is giving some information also. What is validation, display, essay selection, right, etc. The order is like this: validation message, validation rules, selection rules, alert rules, filter rules. Okay. So validation rules I have told you as error rules. Okay. Just correct it. So whatever the previous terms I told, error type of rules, consider it as validation rules. Okay. So tell the latest information in the latest edition, whatever you have, just give it in the interview. Okay. So in the interview, tell like this next time: validation rules. It won't allow you to go to server unless and until you have to make some corrections. So selection automatically disable or hide or remove, enable, show, add something. Alert. It is client side message. It gives information like validation rule only, but it will not stop you to go further. Filter, dynamically fetch something. Generally, we go for dynamic bundles, right? Dynamic bundles. So the filter rule is going to be useful. Okay. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, just consider subscribing, and whoever are in need of the concepts, just share them, and also click the bell icon so that you will get latest videos. Okay, let's meet in another video. Thank you. Take care.